Now, Legal Brief with Bree, featuring Jim Higgins with answers and advice on legal matters.
Today's segment, we're going to be discussing what to do if you slip and fall when you're out shopping. To discuss more about that topic is attorney Jim Higgins from the Higgins Law Firm. Jim, thanks so much for being here today.
Sure.
That's a topic that, you do see things like this that happen, and I guess your office handles a lot of these particular cases. Talk to us a little bit about that today and what you should do if if this does unfortunately happen to you.
Sure. Well, I tell you, you're right. I get these calls a lot. And I think the most common misconception is people call and say, hey, I fell at the store and I broke my foot or whatever happened, and they won't pay my medical bills. And what the law is that you've got to show that the store did something wrong, right? That there was a dangerous condition that they created, or that they knew about it and they didn't do anything about. So, you go in a store and you see a wet floor sign. Well, they've done something. They put it in a warning. If you go into a store and there's a huge puddle where the freezer's been leaking for a month and there's nothing to warn you about it, well, that's something they created or didn't fix, and that's their fault. So in a case like that, they would probably be on the hook for your medical bills, pain and suffering, those type things.
Absolutely. Well, I guess there has to be a lot of investigation when you take over a case like this. What should, is there some steps people can do? I guess probably act quickly is crucial if an injury does happen.
That is crucial in every case because, people forget, pictures get lost. And I'll tell you, here's what's changed everything. Over the past 10 years, what's happened is everybody carries around their video on their phone or their photographs. And if they can take a picture of what they fall in, or take a video of it, or, of course, now stores have surveillance. If we can get that before it gets destroyed, that lets us know exactly what happened. There is no question as to why it was caused.
Absolutely. Okay, so just acting fast. If you are able to get the pictures and information you need as quick as possible, that's important. If you would like to contact the Higgins Law Firm, you may do so by contacting the information on your screen.